The Manchester police are probing the circumstances surrounding a gun attack on a man in Mandeville, Manchester yesterday afternoon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Manchester police are probing the circumstances surrounding a gun attack on a man in Mandeville yesterday afternoon. The injured man was taken to hospital. The Police Constabulary Communication Unit, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed that about 2 p.m. the man was standing along the Juicy Plaza in the town when he was attacked and shot. He was taken to hospital where he's been treated. Business along the plaza were forced to close as the police continued their investigation. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that the man has passed away. The man had succumbed to his injuries following Saturday's shooting incident on Juicy Plaza in Mandeville Town Centre. He has been identified as 49-year-old Ricardo Bennett, a fisherman of Old Harbour, St. Catherine. It's reported that Bennett was standing outside a remittance outlet on the plaza when he was pounced upon by a gunman who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. Bennett was taken to hospital by a security personnel where he succumbed to his injuries while being treated. Statistics from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show that up to June 26, Manchester recorded 20 murders compared to 13 for the corresponding period last year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.